Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Rebecca Speech, an art teacher from Illinois. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hey everyone, my name is Rebecca and today I want to show you how to have fun with food. So in my case, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cupcake with a cute little face on it, and there's a few things that you need in order to do this. Blank paper, a pencil, and coloring supplies. I use color pencil and marker on mine, but whatever coloring supplies you have will work just fine. So take a moment, grab those few things, and meet me back here so we can get this project started. Before beginning on your project, take a scrap piece of paper and brainstorm some ideas. Although I ultimately chose to make a cupcake, you can choose any food item that you'd like. Pick your favorite. Maybe you want to do ice cream or a donut, maybe even a milkshake. Decide whatever one you like best. Next, come up with a few different face options, focusing mostly on the eyes and mouth. You can follow along with me or make up your own. For the face designs, I was inspired by my middle school students. A lot of times, students will bring in sketches of different anime characters that they've jotted down on some notebook paper, and they're always happy to share with me. So these faces are kind of similar to the ones that my students will end up doodling on their own artwork. Now that you've practiced several different face options and you have an idea what you want to do for your design, it's time to start drawing on the good paper. Remember, I'm doing a cupcake for mine. On a fresh piece of blank paper, take a pencil and lightly draw out the shape of your food first. Once you're done with the basic outline, you can go back in and start adding more details. You're going to notice that instead of leaving my frosting simple ovals, I decided to add wiggly lines to it to add more texture. The nice thing about this step is you can keep it as simple as you'd like, or add as many details as your imagination can come up with. So for those of you who maybe have a little bit stronger of a drawing skill set, challenge yourself. What other specific details could you add to your food item to make it look maybe more realistic, or more cartoony, or more whimsical? Think about the different topping options, or later on how you're going to color it in. Maybe even add a pattern. So keep going, add those details, and once you think you're happy with it, then we can move on to the next step. Once you're done adding in all your extra details, it's time to pick a face and draw it in. In my case, I decided the perfect spot is the cupcake wrapper. It allows me to add my eyes and mouth without interrupting any of the other details that I've drawn into my cupcake design. Also, you could see it pretty clearly. Choose wisely and draw it on. The last step to complete this project is simply to color it in. I use color pencil and markers to do this. Focus on smooth, even shading, and if you find that some of your details are being lost, take a marker and trace over them. That will help the lines stay bold as you color on top of them. Have fun with the color choices. It doesn't have to be colored in realistically. It's a cartoon dessert. So pick your favorite colors, add patterns, layer the colored pencil on top of the marker. Just keep going until you're happy with the outcome. Once you're done with your project, remember to take a photo so that you can publish it to your Artsonia account. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing your artwork on Artsonia.